Good morning, factor label warriors. Today we're going to practice using a unit conversion factor label tutorial online. And it's great because you can drag and drop numbers and units and create your own conversion factors. The problem is I always like to be next to my students walking around watching their screens so that if they get stuck I can help. Since you are at home, I thought I would make a screencast of what it looks like to walk through this online tutorial so that you'll make sure to notice the functions that you have to make this really fast and easy and helpful. So I'm on the first period class website where you should see I've got a worksheet that you can print out if you want to do these by hand. And write out solutions. You could also do the same worksheet in OneNote. But let's proceed right now to the tutorial. Okay, this is the home page for the unit conversion tutorial. There is a Learn tab right here where you can go in and it teaches you how to use this platform to learn. So it's teaching you how to use conversion factors here. So it draws lines for you when you go to the next step. Then you click on the next step and it's going to put in a number. See that? So this tutorial, just keep clicking one step and it will walk you through. Okay, now we've circled units. And now it's going to fly in a number. The units cancel. And now it will fly in a number for the numerator. And there's your final answer. Okay, so this gets you used to how the tutorial works. When you're ready to start solving problems that you're going to record for your assignment today, you're going to go up here to the one-step practice. We're going to start with problems that just require one hammer or one conversion factor. Practice problem 1 will look like this. And to solve it, you're going to drag 1,000 grams in the bottom, 1 kilogram in the top, and it always gives you feedback over here. Yeah, you did this correct. And then it will move you on to the next problem, where again, you're going to drag and drop. Now, I do want to caution you here. This tutorial is not going to expect you to round your answers according to significant figure rules. They're trying to just teach you one skill right now, and that is factor label. Kind of like they didn't want to complicate this tutorial because maybe some teachers are not teaching sig fig rules yet. So just put your answers in straight away as they are in your calculator. All right, so now that you see how to use the one-step practice problem set, you're going to do all 10 practice problems, record your answers. Then come back to this page where you can find this tab, the multi-step practice problem tab. And if you start with problem 1, as you read the problem, you'll see that you need to hunt around for what's available. Drag the right unit to the denominator. Drag an appropriate number to the numerator. And then it's telling you you're doing things correct in green. But the problem's not done yet because we're trying to find kilograms. So we have to continue by putting grams in the denominator of the next fraction and then kilograms in the numerator. And now there's the answer out here. So click the next problem tab after you've recorded your answer to keep going. Now from here on out, they're going to want you to type your answer in. I don't know why that has a name, but you're going to type your answer in and check from there on. So I hope this makes it easy for you to navigate this tutorial, to just drag and drop and get a lot of good practice at setting up factor label problems.